Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and thank you so much for watching this video today. So in today's video, for the very first time on my channel, I'm going to review a makeup sponge. So if you have read the title, it is from this brand called AY Accessories and Cosmetics. Now I have showed this in a previous haul video of mine. In case you have missed out on my previous videos, do check it out. I will be talking in detail about this sponge. I'm also going to do a demo and tell you whether I like it or not. So if this video interests you, please keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you like beauty and lifestyle content, then please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. Also, there is a bell icon next to it. When you hit on that and select all, each time I upload a new video, YouTube will send you a notification. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Okay friends, so let's start with the review right away. Now I did order two of these sponges and one of them is the one I showed you previously. So this is how it looks like. I have not used this one, but I have used the other variant. So this is the other variant which I am also going to use in this video and show you a demo of. So I'm briefly going to tell you about this brand. It is called AY Cut shape makeup sponge. Puff color may vary. Pack of one piece, 110 rupees. So I'm checking this on Purple. Can you see that the original MRP is 249 and you get a 56% off? So that's an amazing discount. But the whole point is that agar ye kaam karta hai, so this can be the best sponge for 110 rupees, because in that price I don't think so a good expensive brand will give you a makeup sponge for that price. Now it says description and highlights: give flawless foundation application every single time when applying foundation or cream or concealer or blush. This sponge is suitable for a wide variety of cosmetics such as BB cream, concealer, foundation and blush. So I don't think that this information is something new that they are telling. So basically this is like a cut shape makeup sponge. Now if you remember Real Techniques, they were the first one to introduce this style of makeup sponge. So this is the sponge and it's quite soft and squishy, and I have wet it right now. मतलब मैंने इसको पानी में सोक किया था, उसमें से एक्सेस पानी निकाल दिया और इतना बड़ा हो गया है. So let me show you side by side. I mean, how does it look? Like I have the blue one which I haven't used, and I'm showing you the one which has been soaked in water right now. So can you see the difference? Like, oh my god, it really doubled up in size. So that's absolutely amazing. This one is really soft and squishy as well. I'm really happy with the texture and how it feels. So this is it about the product. It's exclusively, I guess, available on Purple. That is from where I got it. Again, I got it for 110 rupees. So I was really happy, and I thought, मेरे पास अभी कोई makeup sponge नहीं है. So all this while I've always been a fan of brushes, and there was only one sponge I had, and I think it has lived its life. That's when I decided I should buy makeup sponges, and I think now it's in trend. Like, you use cream, blush and everything, and it's really handy. So I went for this one. So that was about the product. Now I'm going to do a demo of this product, so please stay tuned while I go ahead and apply some moisturizer, and I'll quickly come back. So I'm back after applying foundation to this side of my face, and I have already soaked my beauty blender in water and removed the excess water. So now is a real test. So let me go ahead and blend the foundation. I'll come a little bit closer, and I'm also going to look into my mirror. Okay, so the foundation that I'm using is not full coverage. It's like a light to medium foundation, और इतना कुछ निकल नहीं रहा है sponge पे. Like, little bit is there but not a lot. And I'm using the L18 foundation. I'm going to use a little more of that product, and I'm going to continue blending it under my eyes, on my eyelid, on my nose. I think it's doing a really good job, if you can see in the camera. If I have to do a comparison, this side of my face and this side of my face, I think there is a lot of difference, isn't it? Considering it's not a full coverage foundation, it's doing a decent job, and the sponge is really helping it to look natural and not like something cakey or something. So that's the whole point of using a sponge or a beauty blender. It gives you a more natural coverage and a more natural finish. Moving on, I have applied the foundation on this side of my face. I'm going to continue applying it on this side of my face. My first impression of this blender is that it's really good, and I was least expecting much from this blender. I think it's really nice. 110 रुपये में आपको ये मिल रहा है. I mean, what else do you want? So can you see it's giving me a pretty natural coverage and finish with the foundation, and I'm using a liquid foundation. Like I mentioned, it's not full coverage, but in spite of that, I think it's doing a decent job. So I'm simply going to blend everything now on my face. Okay, moving on, I'm going to use concealer. For that I'm using my NY Base Stick concealer, which can also be used as a foundation, but because I have used liquid foundation, I am going to use this as a concealer today. So I'm going to go in the usual places where I need it the most, like under the eyes, a little bit on the eyelids, a little bit here around my mouth, on my laugh line. And now we're going to use that same sponge and blend it, because if you have seen me talk about the description that they have given, they said you can use it for concealer, for BB cream, for foundation. So we are going to test out all the aspects. I honestly feel using a brush is more better for full coverage for concealer. However, this sponge is doing a decent job, like it's not taking off everything. I'm going to apply a little bit more on this side, or I feel I need it, and a little bit here. So my overall impression so far is that this sponge is really nice. Okay, moving on, keeping on with the tradition of using the sponge, I'm going to use it for my compact powder as well. So I'm simply going to press it into the sponge, and I'm first going to apply it under my eyes, and then I'm just going to lightly apply it on the rest of my face. I think this trick really works if you have oily skin and you want your makeup, to lock in and be set for a longer period of time. You can use your setting spray on it, use it on your powder, and dab it on your face, and I think your makeup will last longer in that way. Okay, so we are done with the powder now, and this is how my face looks like so far. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my lipstick as a cream blush. I'm going to use this lipstick, which is from Maybelline, and it is called the Touch of Spice. Now I'm going to lightly apply it on my cheeks out here and here, and then we're going to use the sponge and blend everything together. Oh yeah, it gives a very natural finish because some of the product gets taken off by the blender. Can you see that? Alright friends, so I'm back after applying concealer, powder, foundation and blush, and I'm really pleased with this beauty blender or the makeup sponge. Can you see that it has given me a very nice finish, a very natural finish? So I'm really happy with this blender. Now I'm going to do the makeup on the rest of my face behind camera, and I'm going to be right back and give you my final thoughts, so please stay tuned. And so I'm back after applying some makeup to the rest of my face, and this is how my face looks like. So I think the sponge has done a really great job in the application of whether it's foundation, whether it's concealer, or whether it is blush. I think I really like this makeup sponge. I'm going to keep the review pretty simple and direct and to the point, because I could not find any flaw in this sponge, to be very honest. Now this is the sponge which I have used today, obviously that is why it is dirty, and can you see it has swelled up really well. So it's super soft and squishy, and it's really great in applying cream blush, under your eyes में use कर सकते हैं. इसका जो tip है आप यहाँ पे use कर सकते हैं, around your nose where there are all broken capillaries, and around your mouth. And overall I think this is a great makeup sponge. I do not know why so many people are not talking about it. I discovered this on Purple. I was very happy with the price point, so I said let me give it a try. So I'm really glad I got this. I also have one more color, so hopefully I'll be using that in the future. I like this color, to be honest. इसमें गंदा कम दिखेगा, and this might get stained over time. Now when you order from Purple, they will not give you a choice of color, so you can get any color. I think there is also an orange one. Yes, there is an orange one, there's a pink one, and there's a blue one, so वो choice आपको नहीं मिलेगा. I think nonetheless it's a great brand, and they have lot of stuff, like they have a different beauty blender as well, the one which is like an egg shaped one. But I really like the cut of this sponge, and I have seen Real Techniques for the first one to introduce it, and now every brand has it, so I'm happy I got it. I'm really happy with how it works on my skin, whether it's the application of foundation, concealer, or even blush. And I'm also going to try it with a highlighter in my future videos, so please stay tuned to my channel. If I have to rate this product, it will definitely be a 9 out of 10, and I highly recommend it. Alright friends, so that was my review of the AY Cut makeup sponge, which is like a beauty blender, which is available on Purple. So अगर आपने ये sponge try नहीं किया है, if you are looking for something affordable which does not soak up a lot of product, definitely go for this one. I would highly recommend. If you like this video and found it helpful, please do not forget to hit the like button, share it on your social media. If you do so, do not forget to tag me. Leave your thoughts and suggestions, ideas in the comments section down below. Everything related to this video, my social media handles will be mentioned in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. For now, I thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you all soon in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.